Capitol Corner, train 531. The final destination of that train is Oakland, Chapman London Square, Oakland. Now departing in Emeryville Station. That's an F59 PHI 2003 leading off. Highballing out of here. This train is a 5-car set. 8031, Matlock River. 8206, Humboldt Bay. 8809, San Marino Valley. 8201, San Francisco Bay. And 8304, Antoine Stocker, Mount Wilson. All right, folks, that train is making her final stop, which is next stop is Oakland, Chapman London Square. That train will be returning back at 5:34 in the evening. Bye-bye now.